Well, it is that time of year. Well, actually, a couple times it happens. Usually 2 or 3 times a year I do this. I've never had an issue, knock on wood, but your furnace needs to be blown out, or at least somehow cleaned or serviced, minimum once a year. I blow it out 2-3 times a year. It's not a big job. It's just basically you have to take off this panel here. You've got 10 screws. They're the 1.5-inch screws that are on pretty much everything in the trailer. They're easy to take out, and then I will put it on time lapse and show you. It takes, I don't know, 10 minutes start to finish. I don't take any of the components of the furnace out. I'm not that confident in messing around with something that I don't know enough about. But what I've been doing is when I blow out the boards, I think that takes care of a lot of the issues, because board issues are huge. Electronics and dust do not get along, and when they get overheated, you're going to have problems. So this is my new toy here. Porter cable 6-gallon compressor, and I think they were on for like $240, and then I went to pick one up, and apparently they're a discontinued item, and I got it for $170. So that was a smoking deal, which it's also good for running a nail gun for the cabin, which is bonus. This was not what I expected. It's a lot dustier than I thought. I'm gonna vacuum it before I blow it out, and as you can see, that's some pretty thick dust. You don't want to blow that out. The board is right up at the top here, and I don't know if you can see inside there, but it's actually fairly caked as well. But yeah, all of this air intake area. And then I usually clean out around the wiring and all that stuff back here too. And yeah, I'll blow it all out. And once I put it back on time lapse, you'll see the big dust cloud. But I'm going to vacuum it first. that took care of that. And I found the airline that I've been not using since I bought the trailer. It's a nice 50-foot hose, but it's got about 4 or 5 pinholes. Just, I guess it was old or not being used, whatever. Not a big deal. I still do have my brother's 100-foot hose that I am borrowing. I'll keep this one until I get a new one. I figured 25 is plenty enough. I had a 50. I guess it was a good deal at the time. But anyway, the dust that was in the furnace, it was thick. It was actually heavy. So when I blew it out, it didn't go into one big cloud like I expected. So the vacuum took care of everything on the outside, and the compressor blew out everything that was on the inside that was on the board. And now you saw me take the drawer out. That's very simple, so you can get to the top of the furnace. Makes it a little bit easier to get to that top board. But aside from that, very easy. If you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. And I hope you like what you see. Give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for notifications.